Teton Peaks, we've shared a little bit about where we work, why we moved to Idaho to serve as innkeepers here at Teton Peaks Resort. So we thought it'd be fun to do kind of a day in the life. It is the winter, so not the peak season, but we've got some cool stuff going on. A lot of work with regards to shoveling, salting, just right over to the coffee shop to check in with our awesome team of baristas over there and to get Lauren her oat milk latte. And then, yeah, we'll just see what happens throughout the day. We got some housekeeping to do. We got people checking in. We just wanted to try to show you a day in the life. Lauren is off to the gym. I've had a couple meetings this morning and some admin to do. We've got a big event coming up next week, ski joring, which is like a combination of a rodeo and ski racing. Very cool. Hopefully we'll be able to film some of that for an upcoming video, but locking in all the rooms. We're hosting check-in and a party Friday night. So figuring all those logistics out with the ski joring team from the Teton Valley. But now I've got a company call. Again, Lauren's going to the gym. And then this afternoon, we've got some housekeeping. And then hopefully I'll be able to show you guys around the property. After a long morning of meetings, company call, group calls, all the things, we had lunch. Lauren and Rue are back from the gym and we're going to do a quick walk around the property. We try to walk around the full property once or twice a day, make sure things are clean and just get out and about. Mocha, obviously, wherever she went, needed to get out for a bit. But as you look at the property, a quick little tour. The office is right behind us. Attached to that, we have a kitchen for our use, as well as our maintenance guy, he uses it. And then we have 2 hotel rooms that we live in. Originally it was only 1, but we were able to clean it out and make it a little more sustainable and livable for us, for Rue to have a room / office for me for a little bit. And then there's 4 rooms up top. Some of our best rooms are in those 4 with the best views. And then we've got the main lodge right here. In there are 20 rooms, as well as downstairs and upstairs housekeeping. And then as we spin around, behind us that we're about to walk through is the RV park, where we have 21 RV spots. And then I think you guys can see 3 tiny houses over there that we rent year round. And then if you watched a previous video, depending on when this one comes out, you saw the glamping tents where we spent a very cold night. In those, we had 3 glamping tents. So quick tour of the property, a lot of different accommodations. Kind of the Jet brand is to have a variety of spaces people can enjoy.
All right, this is one of our tiny homes. I'm gonna come in. It's got 2 queens in it. Really nice. So it's got 1 queen down here. It's really fun if you go upstairs. It's got a cute little staircase. Can you take the camera with me? So you just go here. It's like a loft queen bed. Nice windows, brightly lit. I'm coming back down. And then you have a whole kitchen set up here. So lots of cabinet space, a full fridge. Cook all your meals, or you can use our grills. And then a bathroom. Look at the shower. Pretty big for a tiny home. Yeah. Got everything you need. Okay, if you didn't see our video with the glamping tent, I'm gonna show you one real quick. We have 3. So this one's got the buckles. you got a little nice living space, a little couch. Look at how big this bed is. And you got a little table, fridge, extra blankets, which is important. Yeah, pretty much just come out here, get a good sleep, and then sit on the porch and enjoy your evening.
That is the grand tour. It is that time of the day, Ruby nap time. So Mom and Ruby are gonna head in. I'm actually gonna go inspect our rooms for check-in. So each night before check-in, we go to the rooms that are coming in, make sure they are clean, the heat's on, and if we know the guest is coming in late, we'll leave a light on. And if there are any special needs, we'll take care of those. So I'm gonna go do that before Mocha and I go for a run in the snow. Come check out this view. So that's it. Quick check. Everything's clean. Make sure the lights are on. I think this person's coming in late this evening. Make sure the heat's on so they have a great experience when they show up. Mocha and I are 1.6 in. It's pretty cool. We just turn out of the lodge and it's 1.6 to this big intersection. There's some horses over there, but a beautiful run. Definitely hazy and foggy today, and conditions are terrible. Snowy, muddy, dirty, slippery. I thought because we had fresh snow yesterday, it would be a little bit better, but it is not. Luckily, Mocha is in some soft snow for the most part off to the side of the road. I'm getting the messy part, but 1.6 back. Right about 3.1 miles at a 9:19 pace. We'll take it for the conditions. Obviously, Mocha has plenty more energy. A low-key afternoon post-run with some admin work, property reporting, not the fun innkeeper stuff, but necessary. But it's about 5 o'clock. Still got a couple check-ins coming, but I've coordinated with everyone. Got some coming soon, but then also some coming very late. So we've set up their rooms. We made sure everyone's set up for success. And now we're going to grill some dinner. we try to use these grills as much as possible, even in the winter when it's 20, 30 degrees, snowing, just to be outside and not get trapped inside being comfortable, even though we're on site. But I want to clip to a video real quick from, I think last week, maybe exactly a week ago. We were out here grilling and we saw a mom and baby moose walking up across the field, and then they just hung out for probably an hour eating the hay bales over there. So check out this clip. Super awesome. It was the first time I had seen a moose. Lauren and her family had gone over into the national park, I believe in December, and seen quite a few moose, but I hadn't seen one yet, so it was awesome. And we thought we were pretty safe. I've heard, no, not from my own experience, but moose are even more dangerous than bears as far as spooking them. We're like, oh, there's 2 barbed wire fences from between us and them, because we're probably 30 yards from where they were. And then we just saw the mom moose raise up on her back legs and jump right over the fence. So we're like, maybe we're not that safe. So kept a safe distance, took some great photos and video, but a very cool experience, and the reason I like coming out here to grill and eat as much as possible. What is your favorite part of living this lifestyle as an innkeeper in Idaho?
My favorite part is being able to work alongside Ruby with both of us, and she can kind of just be a part of our day. Before, you were working in on a computer in a room that we never saw you until like the end of the day. So now we get to see you all day, and we get to go outside and have adventures and meet people. Yep.
What is the most challenging part of living this lifestyle as an innkeeper?
It's more so the living space is just a little bit smaller than what we've been used to at our previous home. When we first moved here, it was just like we all shared a hotel. A hotel room. With one big bed. And then like the bathroom, just a little bit different than what we've been used to. Yep.
My turn.
What's your favorite part of being an innkeeper?
Into water.
In pure toddler fashion.
My favorite part of being an innkeeper, I would have to agree with Lauren. It's working kind of a non-traditional lifestyle. We don't have to be one place or sitting on a computer. Today was more of an admin meeting heavy day than usual, but every day is different. Different guests coming in, you get to meet and learn their stories. Could be a plumbing issue. Yesterday we had a hot water heater to reset. The power went out a couple days ago. People's RVs are freezing. So it's just, excuse me, always something new and different, exciting. I'm not just on a laptop doing the same exact thing. The most challenging part would be having boundaries. Yes, we do get to work and live kind of as one lifestyle together, but as you can imagine, with 50 accommodations and people wanting to show up when they want to show up, and they need things, whether it's towels or they want to check in at midnight and they don't look at their text messages or their emails, we're it. So we're that kind of last line of defense. So it's hard to turn it off and just kind of not be here and just be present and relaxing. Even when it's not that busy, people always want stuff, and that presents a challenge. It is 6:23, dinner complete. The office is now closed. We do have one more check-in. He said 11 p.m., but he's got his room number, he's got his code, so he is set up and hopefully no issues. So that is a full day as an innkeeper, a little non-standard. Like I said, a lot of computer time in the morning with meetings and whatnot, and some admin, but Hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of what we do here at Teton Peaks. Obviously beautiful scenery, a lot of fun. We're fortunate to have had this opportunity, so we're excited to share it with you. If you like this video, let us know. Ask us questions about living as an innkeeper. Maybe you have interest in work camping or getting into hospitality. But like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.